Here's our before. It was just a thrifted frame with a horrible old picture in it. So we took it apart and painted the flat picture bit over with white. Any white will do. And now we're taking our Decoupage medium. I like quite a thick medium with these papers, not too wet but nice and thick. Spread it really evenly over your white base, and then I line up my paper using my hands and then using a plastic bag just to protect the paper with my hand in it, to get it all nice and flat so that there aren't any bubbles or wrinkles on the paper, and it's sticking straight down to that glue medium. This works really well, and I just take my time doing it. I'm just checking all the time that the paper's going down nice and evenly. The paper's fairly tough, so I can gently pull it up if it hasn't stuck down fast. And I usually only do half of the piece at once. Then I flip over the top bit, put a little bit more medium on the top piece of the board that hasn't got any glue at all, and then start the process again from the middle, going up and getting the whole top half nice and flat, and then just wait for it to dry. We're going to paint this frame shortly in some of the ChromaFlex. I think it's going to look amazing, because if you see over there, that's little Cosette, and she's going to be framed in this blue butterfly. So a little bit out into my palette. Get a wee brush, and then just going to sprinkle it over. Bring it down a bit. She's a pretty fancy girl, so I think this will look at the amazing colour that just pops out. Dusting it over coal black fusion mineral paint. Frame looks amazing with blue butterfly on it, but because the picture is quite turquoisey, we're going to try some turquoise peacock as well. I just cleaned my brush off with water because it's a water-based product. We'll see if we dust a little bit of this over it, because it's a really nice two-tone effect with the hints of the blue. Check out this frame. Blue butterfly and turquoise peacock. And voila, put the two pieces together and we've got a really funky cool frame with ChromaFlex on it and beautiful Cosette framed beautifully. Paintmevintage.com